Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Please open the video of yours.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam, bete. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam. Sinan, bete, do recitation. Unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam, bete.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لإيلاف قريش لإيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت ألم أعمالهم من أو صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim, bete. Sinan, your voice was too low when you were doing recitation. It was good, but your voice was very slow. Fine? Okay. Last week, I could not able to take the classes because of my father-in-law. He had expired. ठीक है बेटे? So I went to Kashmir to attend the Tadfeen of my father-in-law. ठीक है बेटे? So today I'll be guiding you how to make copies of English. I hope you all got the copy set from school. You all got it?
Miss, there are 2 copies of English, na?
जी बेटे, we have 2 copies of English. I want all the students open the video first, please. Otherwise, I will remove you because we have to start the copy work, and I want everyone be very attentive. Take out both the double-sided copy of English literature and language and open your video quickly. Rafe, Amna, Sheikh, and I. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class.
मेरे पास कैमरा नहीं है.
Bete, Amna and Rafe, Mubashir is joining us. Amzal, bete, where are you? Rafe, Reja, please, all of you. Otherwise, I'm removing those students from the class.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam. Please, we have to start the copy work now, and you should be very attentive. Please. Today, I'll be guiding you how to write index, labels, and everything. Reja, open the video, please. Mubashir, Amna, Reja. All the students open the video, please. Reja, bete, open the video. Mubashir, Anaya, Khan, Aryan, please open video. Amna, please. I have to start the class. Quickly, bete.
Let's see my copy.
G, we have 2 copies. Very good. Everyone should take out 1 copy of English literature and 1 copy of English language. We have 2 double-sided copy, not the interleaf. ठीक है ना? Double-sided copy लीजिएगा. कोई भी copy interleaf नहीं होगी English की. ठीक है? English की journals जो होते हैं, जो notebook होती है, वो double-sided होती है. ठीक है ना? Do you all know what is double-sided? Double-sided आपको पता है ना बेटा? जो interleaf
Yes.
now. Double-sided means जो interleaf now. Very good. Okay, that's like a good student. So take out 2 copies of English right now, quickly. Everyone should show me. Take out 2 copies of English and show it to me. Munta, आप भी दिखाएं. Aryan, bete, Amna, Abdullah, Farhan, Anaya. Please, bete, show me the copy. Very good. सबने tag कर लिया है. Bete, write in 1 copy, write English literature, and in 1 copy, write English language. Subject लिखेंगे English literature. Write your name, class, section. और फिर लिखिए आप in 1 copy write English literature and in another copy write English language. ठीक है ना? अब मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी how to make index. First page में, in the first page of both the copies, again write your name and subject and class section. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Bania, Rafe, otherwise I'm removing
Yes,
one
miss.
student. ठीक है,
This is my book. Copy.
very good. Danish, Rafe beta, I'm removing you. Abdullah Farhan, I'm removing you. Muntaha, I'm removing you. I'm signing you in the waiting room. Open the video.
एक bottle है.
They should open the video of Damna. Abdullah Danish, I'm not able to look at you. Please. Where are you? Abdullah Danish. You are not visible. Beta, we are starting the copy work now. You should be attentive right now. Sit properly. Now in the first page of the copy, write your name, subject, class, section quickly. In the first page, write your name, class, section.
Miss.
G.
Miss with black pointer.
G beta. In the first page, or it should be neat and tidy. बहुत साफ सुथरा लिखिएगा बेटे. It should be very neat and tidy. Name, class, section, and subject. After that, bete Mubashir open video, Rafe open video, and Amna Sheikh open video. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Be attentive in the class, please. Mubashir, be attentive. Amna Sheikh, be attentive. Show me that you are working right now. Amna, show me, bete. Okay. After name, I want all the students make index. Look at this index. This is the index of 4 pages you have to make of English language and English literature. Look at this. In this manner, you will create index. This is English language index. ये देखिए. आप English language नहीं लिखेंगे. I wrote it to make you understand. ठीक है ना? You will write from index, serial number, particular page number, teacher sign. Everyone should start writing all this. Make 4 pages index. I hope it is visible to everyone.
मिस हमें जो इंडेक्स बनाना है वो एक ही कॉपी में बनाना है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज और इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का.
I'll be guiding you. दोनों कॉपी में बनाना है मेरा बच्चा. मैं आपको गाइड कर रही हूँ ना हाउ टू मेक.
मिस कैन वी यूज मार्कर इन
No, only blue pointer. Blue pointer or gel pen you can use.
मिस ये देखें ठीक है.
Beta, I'll be checking your copies. You can have to share. Take a picture and share it. Share it in WhatsApp. Everyone should make a picture and send me through WhatsApp.
ठीक है. 1 minute.
In this manner you have to make. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Can you write from blue?
Everyone should write it. This index you have to write in English language copy. This topic we did up till now. Everyone should write index. Make index of 4 pages. 4 pages का index बनाएंगे आप, ठीक है? You are not attentive and not doing the work. Amsal, you are not doing the work. Where are you, Abdullah Farhan? I'm not able to look at you. What are you doing right now, Abdullah Farhan? क्या कर रहे हैं बेटे आप? Show me. Everyone should show the copy. I want Muntaha, you are not showing it. What are you doing right now, bete? Where are you? Make index of 4 pages as I have made it. Quickly, everyone. Have you made?
Can you write
Muntaha, open it. ओनली ब्लू पेन से बनाइएगा बेटे इंडेक्स नाउ. Heading, serial number, particular page number, this you have to write with black pointer, and the index you will be making with blue pen or blue pointer. Show me that.
Yes.
Only Sinan, Aryan, Alisha, Batul, Mubashir, Abdullah Farhan, Abiha Imran, Abdullah Danish, they all are sitting properly. Fatma Mohsin, other are not sitting properly.
Yes.
Amna Sheikh, please sit properly.
Teacher,
Ji bete.
teacher, how we make index of 4 pages?
Bete, as I have made now, you have to draw line column in the manner in the 4 pages. But don't write, it has to be empty right now. Okay? Amna, where are you?
मिस ये लिखा है अपने फॉल टर्म सिलेबस, उसके बाद टाइटल पेज यूनिट 1, ये ग्रामर टॉपिक 1 सेंटेंस, ये लिखना है मिस इंडेक्स में.
जी बेटे, आपको लिखना है ये फर्स्ट पेज के इंडेक्स में लिखना है सिर्फ ये. ठीक है? आप 4 पेज का इंडेक्स बना रहे हैं ना, फर्स्ट पेज में ये लिखिएगा खाली. Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
Reja, you are not sitting properly. I'm not able to look at you. Amna, Reja, Munta, what are you doing right now? Abdullah Danish, where are you? Only Amsal, Abi Imran, Abdullah Farhan, Mubashir, Sinan, Alisha, Batul, Aryan. These all. Walaikum salam, bete. These students are sitting properly and doing the work. The other are not doing in a proper manner.
Good morning, miss. I am new student.
Yes, my dear man, I know, bete. Welcome to my class. Did you receive copy set from the school, my dear?
No, miss.
Okay, no problem.
Today is my first class.
Okay, bete. Welcome to our class, bete. All the students, please welcome. Bete, share the complete name of yours.
Sayyid Mazin Ehsan.
Okay. So he is Mazin and he is the newcomer in the class.
Yes.
So Mazin, please do the English work in the rough copy. Whenever you will get the new copy, now you can tear it.
Okay, okay.
Right now, I'm guiding a student how to make an index.
Okay.
Did you all understand?
Yes.
Okay, that's really great. 4 pages index you have to make. Make it clear. It should be of 4 pages.
4? Teacher, 4 or 3?
Bete, 4 pages index. 1 for fall term, 1 for spring term, 1 for summer term, and 1 for test index. Okay?
Okay.
So 4 pages index you have to make. Done. This is for English language, and this index I'm showing it to you. This is for English literature. Look at this.
Okay.
This is for English literature.
Okay.
Look at this. I hope it is visible for you.
Yes.
The first book, the first reader which we will start in this term is The Beautiful Pearl. So title page of The Beautiful Pearl you have to make. After index. After index in the literature copy, you have to make title page of The Beautiful Pearl, and in language copy, title page of Unit 1. Look at this. I already have mentioned in the index. ठीक है, पहले आप लिखेंगे fall term syllabus, after index. क्या लिखेंगे आप? आपने इंडेक्स बना लिया बेटे? Have you made the index? Please thumbs up.
Miss, I am making index.
Okay, make it please. Make index. Then we will be writing.
No.
Ji bete. Anaya, you can unmute yourself. I did not restrict anyone.
सिलेबस के बाद फॉल टर्म का मिस टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे ना?
नहीं बच्चा, पहले आप सबसे पहले इंडेक्स 4 pages index have you made?
Yes, teacher.
ठीक है, 4 pages के इंडेक्स के बाद आप टाइटल पेज बनाएंगे फॉल टर्म सिलेबस का. इट शुडंट बी वेरी ब्राउड. सिर्फ मेन ऊपर टॉप हेडिंग दीजिएगा फॉल टर्म सिलेबस. ठीक है, फुल पेज कंप्लीट पेज जाया नहीं कीजिएगा. डोंट वेस्ट इट. ठीक है?
Okay, teacher.
Just write fall term syllabus. और मैं आपको फॉल टर्म सिलेबस शो कर रही हूँ. Have you made the index बेटे? Everyone made it in both the copies. क्विकली पहले इंडेक्स बना लो, फिर मैं आपको सिलेबस शो करूंगी. This is for English literature.
one minute.
टीचर
जी बेटे.
मिस आप लैंग्वेज का फिर से दिखा दें.
Yes बेटे, it is visible. Take a screenshot ना.
टीचर कैन वी मेक टाइटल पेज विद
No title page right now. After index, no title page.
टीचर आफ्टर व्हाट कैन वी मेक टाइटल
No.
पेज विद
No, not right now. पहले इंडेक्स बनाइए, फिर हम सिलेबस लिखेंगे.
लिटरेचर का कितने पेजेस का है?
4 pages. Both the copies. In both the copies, make 4 pages index.
मिस इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का दिखा दें मिस से वो इंडेक्स. मिस स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूं.
Done?
Yes miss.
Beta, I'll be sharing through university as well. This picture I'll be showing through university as well. Don't worry. I will share the recorded session as well. The student who are not attentive, I want them to be attentive, please. Reja, open the video. Mazin, beta, open the video. Asghar, please be attentive. Beta, Amsal, where are you? Arrange, adjust the video of yours. Shabbi Fatma is joining us. Ji, done? Shall I show the syllabus to all of you?
No, almost done. Yes.
Done?
Yes.
English literature, language both? Literature and language both? Done?
Teacher, English literature में भी 4 pages index.
जी बेटे. One for fall term, one for spring, one for summer, and one for test index. 4 pages index.
Test index.
ठीक है. नाजिन, उस्मान, दानिया, शबी फातिमा.
Miss आप literature.
Shahraza. Shahraza, you are logged in with your sister's name. How could I mark the attendance, my dear बेटे? Teacher attendance किस तरह लगाएंगे बच्चा? Please be attentive. Okay, done index. Now yes. I'm sharing syllabus to all of you. Please look at this syllabus. Okay. This is English language syllabus of fall term. Look at this. Fall term syllabus of English language. लिखिए बेटे. This is syllabus of fall term English language. Abdullah Danish beti, where are you? This is English language syllabus. I want everyone to pen down. लिखिए बेटे syllabus.
Okay.
Don't make any title page. Please avoid.
मैं ये जो सिलेबस दिखा रही हैं ये पूरा ऐसे ही लिखना होगा हमें कॉपी
जी बेटे सेम एस यूनिट नेम लेसन नेम राइटिंग टॉपिक ग्रामर टॉपिक
टीचर लिखा है ये भी हमें लिखना होगा
जी बेटे ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वर्कबुक पेजेस नंबर एवरीथिंग exercise number grammar topic writing topic everything you have to write in the same manner make row and column and write in the same manner कोई जल्दी नहीं है आप आराम से लिखिए सिलेबस This is for English language. Subject, teacher name, resource book name, everything you have to write, beta. Workbook pages number, as I have mentioned, in the same manner you have to write. Draw line with margin with pencil. Do not draw margin with the pen or pointer. Please make it clear. Draw line neat and clean with pencil. Margin जिस cell और boxes आप draw कर रहे हैं, it should be with pencil. कोई भी pointer या black pen से draw नहीं करेगा. ठीक है ना? Complete syllabus you have to write only with the blue pointer, blue gel pen. No other pen. अच्छे से नीटली लिखिएगा बेटे. बिल्कुल आराम से लिखें. बी अटेंटिव प्लीज. आमना बेटे, वेयर आर यू बच्चा? रिजा, जाहिद, अंसाल, मुबशिर, वेयर आर यू बेटे?
मिस मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया.
Okay. Mubashir bete, where are you? Zahid, where are you?
Yes, please show literature one.
Have you done this, all of you?
Yes, I have.
Yes.
Everyone did so?
Yes,
Please
miss.
thumbs up. Everyone did so?
मिस मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया.
सब बेटे thumbs up कीजिए so that I can understand everyone got it. जी फातिमा, मोहसिन, अब्दुल फरहान, सलान बेटे सबने कर लिया. उस्मान, मोहम्मद दानिश, have you done? अब्दुल्ला दानिश, असगर बेटे आपने कर लिया.
Teacher, I was writing. Please kindly again show. I want to take a screenshot.
Okay. Now are you able to look at this? Please, everyone should do in the copy. Done bete? Bete, any sibling is sitting with you, please don't talk with the sibling right now. Mazin, Dania, Asghar Abbas, please open the video of yours. Done?
Yes.
Zahid,
Yes,
bete,
miss.
where are you? Sharaza, Amna, Asghar, where are you? Nazin, Dania, bete, please open the video. Did you all understand syllabus of language?
Yes.
Shall I show the literature one?
Yes. Yes.
Sure?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. Now pen down the literature syllabus. Are you all able to look at this?
Yes.
This is literature one. Write in the same manner.
Okay.
Literature index. Quickly, bete, we have to start the grammar topic as well. Everyone done?
Yes, miss. I have done. Is it took a screenshot? I take a screenshot.
Please, everyone do so, please.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
All should thumbs up. Okay. Now open your language copy. Now open the language copy. Make a title page of unit 1 in the language copy. Title page of unit 1 after syllabus. Make title page of unit 1.
Teacher, poem Mother to Son.
No, only unit 1. लिखें unit 1. Done? अगर आपने लिख लिया टाइटल पेज, आफ्टर टाइटल पेज start the first work which we did, the first grammar topic which we did. Please pen down this lecture in the language copy.
Make title page of sentence or only write the
No,
heading?
no title page of sentence.
मैं जो
Only unit
लेक्चर है
1.
पूरा ब्लू पॉइंटर से लिखेंगे.
जी बेटे with pencil. Lecture you have to write with pencil.
मैं ये जो आप लेक्चर लिखवा रही हैं अभी
Pencil
ये
बेटे pencil.
पूरा
Pencil
ब्लू
लिखें.
पॉइंटर से लिखेंगे.
Pencil से लिखें बेटे. Lecture you have to write with pencil.
Miss, can we write a topic sentence with black pen?
No. Pencil. Write with pencil.
Means no title page.
Bete, I told you after syllabus, make title page of unit 1. Did you understand, mera bacha?
Yes.
After that, in the next page, you have to write this lecture.
Okay.
Done?
एक्सक्यूज मी मिस, मैं ये सारा ये कॉपी मैं पेन से कर रहा हूँ, फिर मेरी कल इंशाल्लाह बुक्स कॉपीज आएंगी तो मैं उसमें कॉपी कर लूंगा सारा.
No
ठीक
issue,
है?
bete. Easy, no issue. आप जिस तरह convenient है, do in the manner.
Okay.
Whatever is convenient for you, flexible for you, आप इस तरह से कर लीजिए.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yes.
As I told you, make 4 pages index, then a title page. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
आपने fall term का syllabus लिखना है. Index के बाद, after 4 pages index, write fall term syllabus. After writing syllabus, make a title page of unit 1. After the title page of unit 1, you have to write this lecture of the first topic which we did. Sentence and its parts. This lecture you have to pen down.
Okay.
Done?
Teacher,
जी बेटे.
can we make title page of unit 1 with color pencil?
No. Very simple. It's really better to make with pencil, otherwise make with blue pointer. No, it's not the drawing copy बेटे.
Yes.
ये आपकी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक, इंग्लिश के जर्नल है बेटे. ड्राइंग कॉपी, आर्ट बुक, स्केच बुक नहीं है मेरा बच्चा. दिस इज नॉट द ड्राइंग कॉपी. ठीक है बेटे?
मिस आप फिर से बता सकते हैं?
Okay, again I am making it clear bete. Please make 4 pages index, then write syllabus, English language syllabus, then make unit 1 title page and then write this lecture. ठीक है ना?
इसको लिखना होगा.
जी, ये लेक्चर आपको पेंसिल से लिखना है.
ये कॉपी में मिस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज.
जी, यूनिट 1 के टाइटल पेज के बाद इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की कॉपी में ये लेक्चर लिखिए.
ये टाइटल पेज है मिस.
नो टाइटल पेज मेरा
ऐसे
बच्चा, ये
unit
टाइटल
one.
पेज नहीं है, ये लेक्चर है बेटे. दिस इज द लेक्चर, नॉट द टाइटल पेज. Did you understand, my dear?
Yes.
मिस ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा. ये ऐसे ही लिखेंगे मिस.
जी बच्चन, ऐसे आप एरो बनाएंगे, अंडरलाइन करेंगे, स्क्वायर बॉक्स जैसे टीचर ने लिखा है इसी तरह कीजिए, सेम एज. जहां टीचर ने पंक्चुएशन लगाई है वहां आप भी लगाइए, जहां टीचर ने बॉक्स बनाया वहां आप भी बनाइए. प्लीज, वी हैव ओनली 1 minute left. Class will be ended very soon. I have to guide about the homework as well. Okay, bete. Your homework is, after this lecture, you have to make 10 sentences. In that, you have to underline subject and predicate. This is your today's homework. In the fair copy, you will be doing it. How many sentences you have to make? 10 sentences. 10 sentences आपको frame करने हैं. In that, you have to underline subject and predicate. Identify करना है आपको, ठीक है? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
Did you understand the homework?
Yes. कोई भी 10 sentences बना सकते हैं.
जी, जैसे आपने वर्ड बुक में किया था ना, look at this. ये वर्ड बुक में आपने किया था, इसमें आपने अंडरलाइन किया था ना, यहाँ आपको सेंटेंस खुद से बनाने हैं, ठीक है? Did you understand? हमने वर्ड बुक का पेज किया था ना बेटे?
Yes, miss.
Here we are doing in the copy. Better quickly, everyone should do because the time is ended. We have only 1-2 minutes left. Anyone wish to ask any question?
No, miss.
Have you written the lecture?
Teacher,
जी बेटे.
teacher,
जी.
teacher, we have to write that in this sentence, this part is predicate and this
बेटा जिस तरह टीचर ने
part
अंडरलाइन
is
किया,
subject.
look at
We
the
have to write
examples.
like that.
नहीं मेरा बच्चा, जिस टीचर ने अंडरलाइन किया, look at this examples. मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है ना. The players of the team,
Yes,
ये
teacher.
predicate है. क्या है ये? सब्जेक्ट है, predicate है. क्या है ये बताइए मुझे.
The players of the teacher, it is subject.
वेरी गुड. इस तरह सेम आपको 10 सेंटेंस बनाने हैं और इस तरह से आपको डिवाइड कर देना है. सब्जेक्ट को अंडरलाइन कर दीजिएगा, प्रेडिकेट को छोड़ दीजिएगा, ठीक है ना? सो इन दिस मैनर वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि सब्जेक्ट है, ये प्रेडिकेट है.
Teacher, I want to say.
Okay, teacher. I understand.
Teacher,
पूछिए बेटे.
Miss.
जी बेटे.
टीचर हमें सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट दोनों का 10 सेंटेंस बनाना है.
नहीं बेटे, डोंट मेक 20, ओनली मेक 10 एंड अंडरलाइन इन दैट.
ओके मिस.
डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड? द क्लास टाइम एंडेड.
Teacher, we
हमारा
have
आपने
to do,
lecture लिख दिया
we
बेटे.
have to do this. Teacher, we have to do this exercise with blue pointer or pencil.
Can we underline with
बेटे,
color pencil?
after no color pencil, no marker, nothing. Please avoid marker color. Nothing you have to use.
So how we will identify the predicate and subject?
बेटे अंडरलाइन कीजिए ना, अंडरलाइन.
Okay.
As I have done so. I use only one color ना, और मैंने अंडरलाइन कर दिया है. In this manner you can identify.
Yes.
जी, आप सबने लेक्चर उतार लिया बेटे?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Show thumbs up sign बेटे. शाहरज़ा, मुंताहा, रिजा, show thumbs up. राफिज, जाहिद, अनाया, मुबशिर, दानिया, माजिन बेटे, did you understand? मोहम्मद,
Yes.
असगर, अब्दुल्ला, फरहान, मुंताहा,
Yes,
please let
miss.
me know. Done?
Yes.
आपने लेक्चर पेन डाउन कर लिया बेटे? अलीशा बतूल,
Yes,
did you
miss.
understand? माजिन बेटे, did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Alisha Batul, did you understand बेटे?
Miss, yes, but we have to do the homework with pencil.
Yes बेटे, the first homework you will be doing with pencil.
Okay.
No pointer, no color pen, no pen.
मिस जो आपने 10 सेंटेंसेस लिखने का दिए, ये भी हमें पेंसिल से ही करना है.
जी पेंसिल से कीजिएगा. When I'll be checking ना, I will check it, then you
मिस
will
पॉइंटर
fill.
से सकते.
बेटे आप मुझे होमवर्क करके पेंसिल से लिख के स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड करेंगे थ्रू यूनिवर्सिटी. When you will show it to me, I will do corrections. जब मैं आपकी corrections कर दूंगी, फिर आप इसको फेयर कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है? बिल्कुल मैसी वर्क नहीं करना, नीट एंड क्लीन करना है. ठीक है? Did you
Okay,
understand
miss.
all of you? टीचर करेक्शंस करके देंगी
Yes.
आप, फिर आप फेयर कर लीजिएगा.
Okay, miss.
आप
Miss.
व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू पिक्चर सेंड कर दीजिएगा होमवर्क की. You can send picture through WhatsApp of your homework.
Okay, miss.
I will guide you. I will do corrections and I will let you know all the mistakes.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Take good care of you, all of you, bete. Have a good day ahead. Allah Hafiz. The class time ended, my dear.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz, babies.
Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz,
Okay.
teacher.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah
my
Hafiz,
all of
teacher.
you. Good to see you after a long time, beta. Allah Hafiz.